Hi everyone, this video was tough to make but I felt it was important to share my journey with you all. I know many of you have been waiting for an update regarding the internship for which I was doing the assessment for. And honestly, it's not easy to say this, but I didn't make it as a product design intern at the jar company. Getting that email was hard and it's been a tough pill to swallow, guys. After 8 months of hard work and facing multiple rejections, it's been really challenging for me. But that's just a part of the process. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and you know what, guys? That's okay. I did receive a few offers from other startups, but most of them were unpaid. I thought about them, but I had to consider my long term growth. In the end, I decided to turn them down, and I'm glad I did it because I know my worth and what I bring to the table. Instead of working months for free, I want to invest that time in improving my skills. I truly believe that the right opportunity is just around the corner. A quick tip to every beginner out there: don't settle for unpaid internship unless they really offer something valuable. If you're just starting out, an unpaid role can be a great learning experience and you can grow and learn at the same time. But if you're already putting the worked really hard for more than months, just like me, don't undervalue yourself. I'm not sharing this to bring anyone down. Rejections happens to all of us. Just embrace them, learn from them, and let them fuel your growth. For those who are passionate about UX design, just keep pushing forward. Remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback. I'm not giving up, and I hope you won't either. If you're feeling uncertain right now, just keep going. Trust the process and believe in yourself, and we are in this together, guys. And I'm rooting for each one of you. All the best, everyone. We have got this.